and girls, now that you have listened to the story, The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle, we are going to sequence it. That means we are going to put the parts of the story in the same order as they happened in the story. This is called sequencing. So I want you to say, I can sequence. And I want you to say, I can tell the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Great job. You're going to find this paper, and then you are going to cut off the strip at the bottom along the dotted line so that we can cut out all of the little pictures. If I cut too fast for you, remember, you can always pause this by touching the video or clicking on the video, and then you can push play again to catch up with me. Once we have cut out all the pictures, we need to decide what order they happened in the story. There's a lot of parts to this story, so it's actually hard for even me to remember all of the parts and the order. So I have the book close by just in case I can't remember the order either. If you don't remember the order at all, you can always go back, boys and girls, and watch the book again. Okay, well, we know in the story that we start with a spider. I do see a picture of a spider sitting on the fence. I'm not sure if that's the first part, but I'm going to guess that this picture right here of a spider all by itself might be first because she has not begun to spin her web yet. Okay, do you guys remember the first character who came along and talked to the spider? I'll give you a clue. The character said, "Nay, nay, want to go for a ride?" That's right. It's the horse. Boys and girls, I don't know if you noticed this, but I am not gluing these pieces down yet. With so many parts to a story, I'm going to wait and glue them down at the very end in case there's a piece that I need to move because I might have it in the wrong spot. All right, well, we know the spider did not answer the horse because she was very busy. She's a very busy spider. Do you remember who came along next? I'll give you a clue. This animal said, "Moo, moo." That's right. It was the cow. And she still did not answer that cow, did she? All right. Which animal came along next? If you said the sheep, bah, bah, you were right. Did she answer the sheep? No, she did not. All right. Do you remember which animal came by next? Here's our choices that we have left. I'm going to give you a clue. This animal sounds like a sheep. That's right. It's the goat. Goats are so funny if you ever see them in real life. Okay, after the goat, who did we see next? I don't know if you guys noticed this, but we're kind of going down in the size of the animals a little bit. Now, this next animal could be bigger or smaller than a goat, but if it's a small one, then it's smaller. And this is a pig that says, "Oink, oink." There he is, but she did not answer him because she is so busy. All right, after the pig, then along comes the woof woof, the dog. He wanted to chase the what? What did the dog want to chase? The dog wanted to chase the cat. Meow, meow. And what does that cat want to do, boys and girls? If you have a cat, you know that cats love to do this, and that is take a nap. Woo, who's getting tired and wants a nap right now? Probably your teacher. All right, after the cat is the quack, quack duck. And the duck wants to go for a swim. And after the duck, who do you think is next? Cock-a-doodle-doo! It's the rooster. All right, and boy, is her web really getting full. In fact, her web is finished. And the next one isn't actually one of the animals. Do you guys remember what happens next? What happens when she finishes her web? Actually, boys and girls, this is why I didn't need to glue it, because look right here. We have a picture of a finished web. So before the rooster comes out, boys and girls, we actually should put our finished web. Because in the story, first we have the duck, then it says that she finished her web. Okay, good thing we did not glue that. So then the rooster comes out, and then what does she catch in her web? She catches the fly. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. And then who comes out last and asks about the beautiful web? It was the owl. And did the spider answer the owl? No, she did not, because she was so tired. I bet it's a lot of work making such a beautiful web. Great job, boys and girls.